We are standing at the Santo Grand here at Lotus Edge. This is a 4 bedrooms, 4.5 bath, a den, and a 3-car garage. Everything you can need and more. Let's go inside. Now, isn't this a stunning entrance? With Sub-Zero and Wolf appliances, beautiful cabinetry, tons of storage, in a wide open concept. Now let me show you why I love this primary suite. Now what's not to love about this oversized primary suite? We have a king bed, 2 nightstands, and still plenty of space. Okay, now let me show you one of my favorite spaces. What's so special about this floor plan is each room in this home is the perfect size to make each room unique and exactly what you've always dreamed of.